Meaning of going.
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 Going. Going can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to physically moving from one place to another, or it can describe a current state or condition of something. It can also imply an intention or plan to do something in the near future. In casual conversation, going is often used as a shortened version of going to, as in, I'm going to the store. Overall, the meaning of going depends on the situation and usage, but it generally conveys movement or a change in state or intention.